This 2023 Grand Design Imagine AIM 16ML is for sale today at Beckley's RVs. Starting inside, you'll immediately notice your control panel with switches for various coach functions. Moving into the living space, make note of the sofa, which can fold out into a bed. Across from this, you'll see your kitchen, with a sink, a 2-burner gas cooktop with a range hood, a microwave, and a fridge. Also in this area, you'll find a flat-screen TV. Continuing into the back, you have your bathroom. Returning to the front of the trailer, you'll find your queen-size bed, with plenty of cabinet storage located overhead. Outside, you have a solar panel on the roof. And in the front, you have a large pass-through storage compartment. Here, you'll also find your TV hookups, water hookup, solar charge controller, and battery disconnect. For more information on this unit, visit our website, links in the description, or shoot us a call and visit us today. We'd love to be your RV dealer. Welcome to the family.